Guys, this video is about solving equations using logarithms. So we can see some exponential equations. There are some on left hand side which we can use exponentials and logs. So you can see solve for x3 to the power 5x plus 1 is 27. So there is one solution given for you. How? First you convert into logarithm, you simplify log, like log 327 is 3 because 3 to the power 3 is 27, and then you solve that equation. Let's do it. So we have equation 3 to the power 5x plus 1 is 27. So first convert into log. So here it is. If you convert, so it would be 5x plus 1 equals to log 327. So log of 27 with base 3 is actually 3 because 3 to the power 3 is 27. Then we can simplify this equation like normal. So x equals to 2 over 5 or 0.4. So that's one aspect of solving this equation. Okay, let's take second example. So I have one more equation for you, so we can try that. So 4x power minus 3 is 200. We will solve this equation by two methods, without calculator and with calculator. So this is 4x power minus 3 equals to 200. Convert into log. So log 200 with base 4, because 4 power, there is no integer power of 4 which gives you 200. So this you will have to use calculator here. So you get 3.88 and then you add 3, you get your 6.822. Okay, let's do the graphical version of this problem. So I'm going to use Casio 9860 and we are going to use graph. So I'm on a graph. I have y1 and y2 where I need to enter my both functions. So something from left hand side was 4 to the power x minus 3, and on the right hand side I have 200. That should go in my y2 because that's I'm going to see the intersection of both. So you press enter and then you see the graph. Probably you need to change the window settings because my window is not accurate. So for x I'm changing from -5 to 10, and then for y-axis, because my value is 200, so I should take higher than 200 for y. For x is okay, -5 to 10. For y, let's see, -10 to 200 or 300 something. So I'm using 300 here. Exit, draw again. You can go back and change the lower part of y from -10 to -50, and then press exit again, draw. Look for the intersection. So you press G solve F5 and then intersection ISCT. You will see x value is 6.822. So you can see both ways how you can deal with these problems. So there is another way, like you don't need to work out graphically, but still you can use calculator like we did in the previous problem, log 200 with base 4. So here also we can use log 30 with base 3. Let me show you. So we are on run math. Okay, press the button OPTN, yes, then calc, then F6, then there is a F4 again, log AB, then you enter your first number which was 3 and then 30, press enter, you will see that value, and then you follow the same procedure to figure out what is x. Okay, now let's take one more example where we have logs on both sides, where we need to apply some log rules and then solving that equation. So I have a question, log x plus 2 equals to log 10 to the power 3. Let me enter my function on this software. So log x, this software is graspable. You can try it. It's pretty easy to use. log x plus 2 equals to log 10 to the power 3. Just enter your equation and then follow simple steps. So 10 to the power 3, so there you go. So first it's a log x plus something, so we need to press plus so that you can apply the log rule. So if we press on plus, it should get multiplied. So if we do that, we get x squared. Oh, we should have x plus 2. Let's change it. So I'm changing it. So log x plus 2. Yeah, that's correct. Yes. Now press plus. So of course they need to multiply. So x times x, x squared, and 2x. Now we have to get rid of log. So you it's like an anti-logarithm. When you have single log on both sides, you can just get rid of log. So guys, this is quadratic equation, rather x squared plus 2x equals to 1000. So and then you drag 1000 on left hand side, and then we can solve this using the quadratic formula or using calculator or using graph. So I'm using equation tool on my Casio. So go to menu and then press on equations. Okay, and then there is F2 because it's a polynomial. So degree 2 because it's quadratic. Enter your values, the coefficients only, not x. 1, then 2, and then negative 1000. So 2 and then negative 1000. Press enter and you will see the solution. So there, of course, there will be two solutions. So you can see 30.6 and 32 something negatives. So that's how you can figure out these equations even though you are using quadratics in this. So hope this will help you. Thank you so much. Bye.